Introducing the ultimate collection of STEM learning tools, our 4 innovative STEM kits. STEM Explorer and STEM Innovator for ages 4 to 5 and 5 to 7. Followed by STEM Mechanics and STEM Builder for ages 7 to 9 and 9 to 11. Tailored specifically for different age groups, these kits provide an ideal learning solution for elementary schools. Discover the power of physics through hands-on experiments with simple and compound machines. And build your math skills brick by brick using fun, interactive manipulatives. Our wide range of rectangular and triangular plastic bricks and parts use the unique side joining and locking bricks. In addition, with the X, T and R joiners, where these innovative plastic parts can be used as direction changers. Each kit is composed of specially designed blocks. Students can create complex, three-dimensional structures, unlocking endless possibilities. Our instructional techniques are rooted in a design thinking approach, ensuring students develop creativity, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. Safety and quality are paramount. Our STEM kits meet rigorous international standards, including CE and ASTM certifications, ensuring they are safe and effective learning tools. Designed to serve 2 students per kit, each set is built to last, anticipated a 5-year service life and providing an economically efficient solution for long-term educational use. With progression through 2 age groups, these kits are suitable for students from ages 4 to 11. Join the global movement of hands-on learning. Bring these STEM kits into your classrooms today, and watch as your students explore, innovate, and grow. STEM kits. Bring the innovation in you.